This is Wade Elliott, President of Utility Supply Group. Today we're going to talk about servicing the components inside your site electrical equipment. Every manufacturer has recommendations for the torque specifications on all the lugs you see on the lug assembly and on the breaker load center. You should follow these and perform them annually. It's important to do that as wire expands and contracts throughout the seasons, whether you're in a southern clime where it's hot and hotter or you're in a northern clime where it's cold and warm. This maintenance should be done every year before your season starts. Take a torque wrench and tighten down every lug in the lug assembly if you have a pedestal, and every lug in the load center if you have a surface mount box or pedestal. Also annually, you should take and clean out the contacts on your 30 amp, 50 amp receptacles. The best way to do that is take an emery board and insert it into the slot a couple of times to clean off that contact. Over time and with the use of electrical components, a thin film builds up on that contact, which can cause an increase in impedance for power to go through there, which causes those to heat up. That is one of the reasons you can see melted receptacles, as those get corroded in there. So annually you should go in with an emery board, be sure the power is off, and clean those contacts in the 30 amp and in the 50 amp. This is Wade Elliott with Utility Supply Group. Have a good day.